Greetings, fellow Lego enthusiasts. It is Elizabeth from the Toy Hoarder. I am back with another Let's Build Together video. This one is again from Toy Story 4. It is Duke Caboom's Stunt set. The number is 10767 and it is for ages 4 and up. There are 117 pieces in this set, so it's not too big. It shouldn't be too bad of a build. Also, there are 2 minifigures that come with this set, and they are Duke Caboom, obviously, and Woody, so they're both going to help out with the stunts. Additionally, I want to note before I start the video that right here in the corner of the instruction booklet, as well as printed on at least one of the bags that the pieces come in, there's a QR code. If you scan that with your phone, then you will be able to get into a free Lego app that will show you how to build the set brick by brick. We will start with building Duke Caboom. He is an epic Canadian daredevil. Now when you put on his cape, you're going to want to, there's 3 holes in it, and one is actually slit open. You're going to only use the 2 holes that are not slit open. So you're going to slip one ring over, and then you're going to take the other ring and slip it on top of that. And so you can see now, this is what makes the cape poke out appropriately. And then, to make it stay, of course, you put on his face. And now this is really great. He's actually got 2 faces on here. He's got a little smirk and a screaming terror face. So I personally like the screaming terror face, so I'm going to leave that one on him. And then I'm going to attach his visor to his helmet because safety first, and get his helmet on. Perfect. And you can also lift the visor up so you can see his terrified expression here, which I think pretty great on this side. Alright, let's get Woody together. Woody's a lot simpler of a build than Duke because he doesn't have the cape and the helmet with extra pieces, so got him together. I'm going to stand him up by Duke. They are ready to go, but they're going to need a stunt bike. I've already put the centers inside of the tires, and I don't really like poking those in and out, so I'm going to leave those as is. But if you have not built the set yet, you're going to need to put the rims inside the tires. And then once you connect them to the bike, make sure that they spin appropriately and don't get caught on anything. And you're going to add the white body on. Clip it right onto the bike. There is a Canadian maple leaf that you're going to stick on the front. And then, of course, he's got this stunt handlebar, and either him or Woody can hang on to this to do all kinds of crazy stunts and poses just like in the film. Alright, we're going to need to build some barrels for our stunts. So we're going to have a purple barrel, a blue barrel, and a green barrel. And they will have little gray tops, each of them. Alrighty, get those set up over here. Hiding. There we go. Get our Duke Caboom sign up here. Perfect. That's super cool. Oh, sorry, there's actually a top of this sign. Oh cool, then it looks like his little launcher on the top, where you pull this plug and push it down to launch the original toy version of Duke Caboom. I actually wanted to put those on the two sides. There we go. White one in here and a black one on this side. And we're gonna attach a rounded portion here to make this look a little fancier. This is kind of cute. The striping is actually made out of alternating red and white pieces. Ah. I'm struggling. There we go. That's cool. Now we'll be able to fit these ramps in, and they will fold right down into their appropriate racing stripes as shown here. So though I actually left these attached from the last time that I built it, but the flame comes out of here and you just stick it into the barrel for these, and you're going to stick one on the top of each of these little black ramps here. Alright, if you're just starting this set, you're going to open bag 2 now and work with a different base. Get a ramp going here on this side, just like we did on the previous one. Get some archways in here. Build them up a little bit higher. Add a little flare. Not literal flare. But I guess we're gonna add that later. Okay. It's cheesy, guys. It's super cheesy. What's wrong with you? Clean off those edges real nice with these curved pieces. And now we're going to build some flames. Ooh, me oh my. This is this half of the flame. And we're going to make one more. And this is going to be the second half of the flame. Just make sure you're lining up the pieces right. It'll show in the instructions how you're supposed to get these together. A little flame wheel happening here. That's pretty cool. So now we can add the actual flare. Yeah, that's super cool, I won't lie. Okay, then we simply attach this ramp. And we are just about done here, guys. He's, whoops, knocking down my barrels. He's also going to jump over a couple of cars, so I'm going to get those together. And again, I left the wheel parts together, but if you didn't have them already assembled, no big deal. You can simply add them afterwards. And I've got an extra face shield for Duke's helmet in here. Probably just an extra piece in case you lose one. It's a really pale yellow color, but it's pretty. Alright, these are super basic cars. But you just have to kind of get the gist of it. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. So, there we go. There's a little car. Oh, this is so cute. Looks like a Rocky Gibraltar car. Okay. Get that car over here so you guys can see it. I'm going to start building the next car, which is going to be about the same process here, except you're going to use the blue pieces instead of the yellow for your chassis there at the bottom. And then of course you're going to have blue pieces on top. Two slopes are facing each other, and then you've got a slope facing the opposite direction and a flat piece. Whoops, I did not mean to flip that car all the way over. And now you've got your two cars, and I've got, I guess, a couple extra little pieces in here. So now you can assemble the entire stunt show. And the idea is you will jump over, we'll ride up the ramp, jump over these two cars, and then through the flaming wheel. Now, as cool of a set as this is, I thought, what if he jumps through 2 rings of fire and has another ramp to ride down on the end? Plus, you should probably jump over at least 4 cars, right? Am I right? Okay. You know what's happening now. I bought 2 sets. Yeah. Alright, now when he starts his stunt show, comes out from the entrance, rolls around to the start, and he can leap over this ramp, through the ring of fire, over all of these cars, through the second ring of fire, and land safely on the ramp again. Anyway, I kind of wish they had made this set as a double set because this is super, super, super epic. But of course you can play one set or both, however you would like. I have a super fun time playing with both sets because this is just like a crazy awesome setup. And you can even have Woody on the other bike, and you can have them going from either direction. But if you're going to have Woody ride the bike, you're really going to need to put on a helmet on him because that's just not safe. So I got another Duke Caboom helmet because I have 2 sets. So now we can have Duke go through this in one of his crazy poses. And we've got Woody on the other side, and they can try to pass each other on the way through these flaming hoops and land on the other side. Anyway, I hope you had fun today, and join us for another Let's Build Together video, or check out some other videos on my channel. Leave a like or subscribe if you enjoyed it. Have fun! Bye!